Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassey, and before I say anything, before I talk about anything here right now, I'm just so devastated and so confused at what is happening in Nigeria right now. Police brutality, SARS, and other stuffs are ongoing in there, and I'm so praying. I'm praying so hard for my Nigerians out there. God is with us. Oh, all right. So welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. I'm Franklin Hassey, and my YouTube name is still Franklin Hassey. And today we are going to talk about some various ways you can make money online, because a lot of people have been asking me that question, and I decided to make a YouTube video on that. So before I even bring about most of them, I would like you to know that anything on my YouTube channel is for educational purposes. So I'm not reliable for anything that someone will carelessly do. So please go and do it as you can, but don't make it in a bad way. Thank you for understanding that with me. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. And I want everyone who watch this video to comment I subscribe, and I also comment on what the person has said. Okay, alright. So the first way we can make money online is through surveys. Okay, when we talk of survey, we talk about you taking questions, you taking actions on a website or an app to earn money. Okay, and those questions you are taking, you are only trying to make the developers or the website owners to be able to come out with ideas or about research topics. Okay, and the ways you can take a survey are playing of games. You can talk about watching videos online, and a lot of them. Okay, and there are websites like Swagbags. They are also having their apps. Okay, you can also have survey on the go. You have Big Cash, you have Premise, and there's a lot of survey sites out there that are online. You only need to register for free, and you take your surveys and you are paid a cool cash out of that, right? Okay, and one way of doing that is that you need to have a VPN. Okay, in this part of the world, we hardly have the correct way of survey or the right source of doing our surveys. This is the reason being that people do it fake. Okay, so the best way to do that is you having a VPN, NordVPN, PR, or any of the VPNs out there. 911 will help you to be able to carry out the surveys. Okay, so for instance, survey on the go is one of the best ones where you can make money. The premise, the Big Cash are the ones that you can use, and you have to use a VPN for them, because before you be able to access the survey and make your cool cash. And normally they pay through Amazon cards, okay, or PayPal Cash, or PayPal, or Bitcoin, or any other money you want to take. Okay, all right. And the second way which we can make money online, cool, is through freelancing. Okay, when you say freelancing, it's about you using the talent you have. Probably you are a graphic designer, you are a writer, you are whatever. Okay, when you have those skills out there, you'll be able to use those to design. For instance, if you're a graphic designer, you can use your graphic designing skill to opt for a job online. For instance, if I need the logo, I come on the website like Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr is one of the best freelancing websites, and then Freelancing Ghana and other websites are there. Okay, you register, you get work, and you get paid by the company. Okay, and freelancing is growing and growing, and a lot of stuffs are going on there. And amount of money, maybe one work can get to like $50, $100 cool cash into your PayPal or your bank account. Is cool, right? Yeah, can make some small coin out of there. Okay, and surveys and freelancing are just some short ways you can make money. It's not easy on those websites or doing those stuff, but gradually be a pro and be able to get access to your money. Okay, now another way of making money online is investment or online trading. With this online trading, you buy cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, you buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin Cash, or any other ones, or you can even use them to do your trading. Okay, something like IQ options, something like expert options are trading sites, or they have their apps that you can use to what trade your Bitcoin or your Ethereum. You can also trade crude oil, you can trade gold, you can do other tradings. And another way of making money on that same app is determining whether the dollar will increase in a seconds or in 30 seconds or 1 minute or 24 hours, and you make a you kind of like bet your money on it. And if indeed it has really increases, then you have make your money out of there. Okay, now in this cryptocurrency part of it, of the trading, you can also trade cryptocurrency differently. Okay, but one way I would tell you is that when you leave your money in your Bitcoin wallet, or when you leave your Ethereum in your Ethereum wallet, you can leave it there for it to increase. Okay, when the rate per dollar increases, your money also increases. But the disadvantage part is that when the rate decreases, your money also decreases. So if you invested like $400, which is like one Ether, in few minutes, in few hours, in few whatever, your money can decrease or increase at any time, because those cryptocurrencies are volatile. Okay, they inflate and deflate at any time based on the international markets. All right, so that is it. Basically, I'll be talking about the disadvantages and advantages of these online works, so that you'll be able to know what to do and what not to do. Another way of which you can also try to make money online is you being a YouTuber, and YouTuber is not being easy. You have to get being monetized, and before you can be monetized on YouTube, you need to have about 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you have to post a lot of videos because before you be able to target that one. Okay, and let me give you a little tip about this. There are a lot of videos on YouTube where you can watch to understand how YouTube works. Okay, before you can be monetized to get money from your YouTube channel, you have to know your right niche. For instance, I am in the tech niche where I teach people how to do with their computers, their phones, their monies. Like, I'm just about technology online. Okay, you can go into dog, you can go into cars, you can go into riches, you can go into politics. That's your niche. So you choose the right niche to do your work, and you can also choose the right content. Okay, there's a lot of things that come into play when you want to be a YouTuber, and YouTube pays a lot per $1,000 per 1,000 views you have on your videos. Okay, and that's another way. And there's another way where you can make money online is through affiliates. Okay, and you can link this to your YouTube account. For instance, let me make it let me break it down for everyone in here to understand that a pure water company can come and advertise their pure water on my YouTube channel. So as I'm talking with you, I can just bring that ads into it, so you'll be able to view, and those are going to pay me per views I'm having. Okay, so that's how the affiliate works. Okay, you can go to different websites, get their affiliate links, put it on your YouTube channel, or say something about it. Then you get paid based on the views what you get. Okay, and another way too is that you can get paid whilst you are watching YouTube. Okay, a site like admefast.com, okay, is one of the ways you can make money whilst watching YouTube. You watch 30 seconds videos, 1 minute videos, 90 seconds videos, and they'll give you points. Okay, or they give you coins, and those coins will accumulate to an amount. Then you can go and sell that coins, like for a Facebook likes, or a YouTube likes, or YouTube views, or Instagram likes for people. Okay, because a lot of people out there are looking for people to view their channels, to view their videos, or to view their site, like their things they post online, so that they will also can be monetized. Okay, so you can get those points, go and sell it for those who like the likes, and then you bring that to make money online into your PayPal, or the way best they can pay you through. That's another way of making that, and a lot of people are making money there, and I sometimes also try that. It's not easy though, but you guys to do it that way. And the last one I'll talk about is through PayPal. Okay, PayPal, one way I've been blacklisted in Ghana, where you can hardly get access to our PayPal account. Yet there was a video I did. Okay, I'll be leaving it down. The description link, where I taught how to create PayPal, how to create a PalmPay card, and how to link each other, so you can be able to use for your online transactions. Okay, so in Ghana here, the dollar to CD rate for PayPal is like maximum of 4 CD 90 pesos, where you'll be able to buy $1 like 4 CD 90, not from your bank, not from anywhere, but from your colleagues who are doing these online surveys, and those who are doing freelance and they have PayPal and they don't know how they can bring it into their card or into their Momo wallet. So the best you can do is that you buy from them at a rate of 4 CD 90 pesos. Then you have already linked your card to your PayPal account. So what you do is that you just have to withdraw your PayPal cash into your card, and when you do that, the rate is like 5 CD 90 pesos or 5 CD 70 pesos. Okay, normally what you do is that when you convert, you gain like 1 CD, almost 1 CD on each dollar that you actually converted into your mobile money. Okay, and that's another big way. But okay, now let me talk about disadvantages of all this. I'll first start with the PayPal. Okay, with the PayPal, the disadvantage is that when you don't know and then you have been spotted that your account is being used in Ghana, they will actually block your account temporarily and ask you to resolve your account by providing some details. And some of the details you can't provide them because PayPal is blacklisted in Ghana. You can't use any other Ghanaian details to resolve your account back. And I have some friends who are losing almost like $500, and they are losing like $1,000, which is almost like 2,500, 5,000 Ghana cedis out there on PayPal. Yet it's a business, so that's a disadvantage part of it. When your account is being temporarily blocked, you can't be able to withdraw or send money to anyone. The only way is for you to bring in money. But if you keep on bringing money to an account that has been blocked, actually that goes against you. Okay. Alright, and about the surveys, as I said earlier, there are fake ones in the system where you can just go there and register. Yet you do your surveys there, but you're only bringing traffic to their site, but you're not actually going to earn any money. You earn a lot of points, like 1,000 points, which you probably may be like for your $10. Okay, I found out that you can't be even able to withdraw your points from out there, and it's so devastating. Okay, all right. The cryptocurrency also has to do with you being able to find the right platform where you can be able to do your trading. Okay, the right platform for you to do your trading, and then the online trading too. When you don't have the right website or the right platform like the IQ options or the expert options for you to be able to use to do your trading, you'll be ripped your money, or your money will be gone and you'll be able to get access to it. So getting the right platform for these two works needs to be done as a homework for you, and it's very, very crucial doing that. Okay, and you leaving your money or your cryptocurrency into your account for it to be able to grow. When there's a decrease or when the cryptocurrency rate is down, then probably your money is also going to be down. Okay, that's a disadvantage part of it. You can have like say $500, but just in a twinkle of an eye, your money will just decrease to be like $450 or $400, and you lose a lot of money out of that. And $100 is a big money in Ghana cedis. Okay, all right. And then the YouTube, getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can monetize is not a big deal, but very, very tedious. You have to keep on making videos, you have to keep on commenting, you have to keep on posting and sharing your links for people to view your videos so that you're able to be monetized. It's not easy, and it's a sleepless night work. Those are the disadvantages, but in everything I like to say, you don't need to have to give up. Okay, that's the best thing I can say. And then in the freelancing part, which is the final part, freelancing too, there are fake ones also in the system. Okay, if you don't know, you work for someone for free, you never get your work done, you'll never get your money back again. And all of this, you need data, you need a good network to do that in our country where there is poor network connections, and those are the tedious part. But the best is that when you're able to know, or when you have done your homework very well and done your things very well, you'll be able to make some cool cash out of that. Okay, it's very good you do it, and always put that in your mind why you are doing it, why you have started, and where you are heading towards. And those are the best way you can make your money online. Online jobs are not easy, and it's not just easy it is as we always see. We have to have sleepless nights thinking about what to do and what not to do with all what you want to do. Okay, and it's so cool, so that's the best way you can make money online. There are other ways you can make money online, but for me, these are the various ways I make my money online. I make it through PayPal, I make it through surveys, I make it through online trading, I make it through cryptocurrencies through YouTube, as I'm doing with you right now, and through freelancing. It is a good idea to start with the one you want. You can go out there and watch other best one or other best comments and be an online money maker. It's good to make money online whilst you're at home. Okay, not really need to be working, being tedious and other stuff. But the best for you to be online and make your cool cash out there. Alright, please don't forget, the name is Franklin Hassey, and I thank you all for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment to our YouTube channel. I love you. I'm done. Can you just please stop the video?